Hello, hi everyone. So myself is CMA Vikita. You all know me, right? So today I'm going to just make a small short video. This video is about exams. You people are now having exams, which has started yesterday and will go up to December 20 CA exams, right? So, about exams, yeah, many lectures will be there, many videos about motivation, about inspiration, and many other things. My only specific reason for making this video is for my students, and all the students who are going to give the exam are giving exam and have started their exams also since yesterday. I would like to say that this particular word exam, it's a big thing, small word, but it's a big thing. True. It gives you tension. It gives you, there is different hormonal changes. There is mind, like, the mind gets confused that whether you should study for long hours for law, whether you should study for accounts, whether you should give more time for learning or you need to practice more theory or practical, and many questions are coming in the head. Okay, in the duration of the exam, during the duration of the exam also, sometimes people get like blank. There is totally a blank black color screen when you close your eyes and then think about a question's answer. Okay, it happens. Not to worry, we are people, we are humans. Okay, every single person is has studied well till, like, up to how much they wanted to study, how much they could, according to their capacity, their capability. They have devoted time, dedicated, and done their best. Now it's your time to just write down on the paper and give it to the CA Institute, and just let it go. Enjoy that fully 3 hour session, which I would like to say. Obviously you will say, ma'am, why you saying enjoy? Yes, obviously when you are into a 3 hour session for writing something, okay, you need to be in that particular situation, make your mind, your state of thought process into that particular situation of 3 hours. That 3 hours should be the best. Whatever you have studied since last 1 year, yeah, 6 months, yeah, 2 months, or 15 days, you are now going to grab down and write it as fast as possible. Very important point is, keywords in theoretical papers are very necessary. If there are some, obviously the course is very big, very vast. Like if it comes to ITSM or EISSM or audit or law, very true that the course is very big. Okay, but no doubt in that particular subject, you can just make sure that you would have done MTP, RTP, and the before questions, and then you got a clarity of what are the maximum questions from which chapters they are coming. Focus on those important points, or those important like a sub points material, and make a smart short notes of it. Now you're not required, obviously not required, but just saying that if you have not done, if you have time, you can just jot down those important points, important topics, and continuously read those topics. Okay, if you have not done the theoretical topics minimum 2 to 3 times properly, not studied, it will never be stored in the mind. Okay, so to make sure that you have done, okay, everyone has done 2 to 3 times, done every particular chapter, revised well. Now it's the time to just look into the main focus of the topic, the theme of the topic, or the theme of the total chapter. Okay, do not get discouraged. Do not study anything which you have not done till now. If, for example, in law, you have not done any chapter, like, for example, you have not done Indian Contract Act. Okay, try not to do it in the last moment, because if you do it in the last moment, you will never understand it ever, and it will be a block in the brain. Okay, don't do that. And there are some more points is, the points are like, stay focused, stay hydrated. Like you need to keep on having some things, some water. Yeah, your body should be active every single moment during the duration exam, as well as during the total period of exams to be completed, from the starting of the exam till the end of the exam. Okay, then please have good food. Try to do a 15 to 20 minutes of meditation, exercise, yoga. You must be saying that we don't have time. You have to find out time for your body, for your mind to be calm, relaxed, refreshed every single moment. You have to do a little bit of exercise. Okay, try to have good food. Okay, food is very important. Do not keep studying in the last moment and forget food. Okay, no, relaxation of mind, health is more important for you to write good in the 3 hours exam point. Okay, so those are some things which I would like to say, as well as I would like to say that you need to be very, very positive. Even if you feel that you have not done some chapters, don't think about it. Whatever chapters you have done, you should be positive in it. You should make yourself into the activeness of positivity. Then only you can write. You will, you can, and you should. Okay, so still till the last moment, keep working hard, and you will do it. It will happen. You will make it. Okay, then you are very close to the victory. Now you are writing exam, you are about one step nearer to your victory. Uh, like CA inter or CA final batch will be like on to you. Okay, so do not ever dare to give up. No giving up, boys and girls. No giving up. You have to write it. You have to stay for those 3 hours. Whatever comes to your mind, just relax, refresh, close your mind, think about it. You will get it, and you can. That's what I would like to say. You can, you will do it. That's the determination you should have always. And in the end, I would like to say, you please make sure be calm, keep yourself calm, and good luck for your exams. You will all do well and get best results, and some people will obviously get the ranks also, and you go to the next stage of your life. Okay, till then, make sure that you are happy enough. Keep smiling, stay safe, stay calm, and best of luck from yours, ma'am, Vikita. Bye.